Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we have something that we've only done a few of, but some of you really like them, and they're very inexpensive. What are we talking about? We are talking about Disney's Backstage Collection. This is can number 6. And we're going to dive into this coming up right now. All right, so we have struggled with this subscription a little bit. So the subscription costs between $40 and $35 a month, depending on how many months you pay for upfront. You either buy 3 months, 6 months, or a year. We bought 3 months the first time, worked out great, got 1, 2, 3. Actually, we got 1, 3, 2, but it still worked out okay. Then we re-signed up for 6 months. Ever since then, every time they ship us one, it's the wrong one. So, and I have emailed them a million times about this, and it is starting to drive me crazy. Plus, today was the day that today is actually, I'm recording a few of these early, so today is May the 4th. So this morning, we spent our entire morning on Shop Disney trying to get the May the 4th be with you Star Wars key. So I'm very frustrated with Shop Disney right now. So when the number 4 can was supposed to come, they sent us 1. Then they sent it the correct one, and yada yada. Number 5 was supposed to show up, they sent us 2. Number 6 was supposed to show up, they sent us 3. And so this all just drags out. But here's number 6. So I have a feeling I will be continuing to do this as we keep getting them. So this one for the Backstage Collection is Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. And I am very excited for that. Let's pop in here. Alright, so you always get 3 things. You get a t-shirt, you get a pin, and you get what appears to be a beer coaster, but it has a story on the back to explain what the box contains, or what the can contains, and why they did it. Sometimes it's for sketches or parts of movies they didn't use, or early sketches of characters that changed. This one, judging by the look of the blueprints, I would say probably has something to do with the design of Galaxy's Edge for Disneyland and Disney World. Let's take a look at the t-shirt and find out. Alright, so let's take a look at what this one is. So this is, it's meant to look like, well, not really blueprints, but it kind of describes where the hyperdrive is. Just like all different parts of the spacecraft. Let's try it on and take a look. So I switched the size to Mary's. It's a little tight. It's a nice shirt though. I like it. Ugh, a little tight. Okay, let's take a look at the pin. Oh, that's cool. That is a very cool pin. It's really heavy. It's got like a brushed nickel look. I'll put a better picture in the photo box for you so you can take a look at it. I like that one a lot, and it says Disney's Backstage on the back. Alright, so let's figure out what the story is behind this particular spacecraft. So, I'll put a picture, boop, of the front and boop, of the back. Bear with me. It's August 2015. And Disney has announced plans to create an all-new land that will transport guests to a planet on the edge of the Star Wars galaxy. The new land is years in the making. With Walt Disney Imagineers busy brainstorming the details behind the scenes, they start using the acronym ITS, short for Immersive Transport System, to discuss the primary vessel used in the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance attraction. Later, the vessel, equipped with hyperdrive, along with forward and rear guns to repel pirate attacks during the long-haul missions, is renamed with the original acronym intact: Resistance Inter-System Transport Ship, ITS. So that's what this is. This is the design for the transport for the ride. Very nice. All right. And again, as always, I love these canisters. We have them behind us as displays, and they are full of everything. Lanyards, pins. I think I have one that's just pin bags. So, yeah, I like them. And they come in an envelope, like a plastic kind of soft envelope, and they always seem to come in really good shape. I've only had one that was a little bit bent, but you can't even tell. All right. Not bad for 35 bucks. If you would like to take a look at last week's video, it was a Magic at Your Door bronze box. You can hit that button right there to check it out. And if you would like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you are having a great day.